Hey folks, today we're talking about the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps, The Modern Layperson's Guide to Enlightenment. And let's talk about Chapter 2, Resistance and Acceptance. A long time ago in India, there was this guy named Sid who discovered that when he resisted things as they are, he tended to suffer and to be unhappy. And when he accepted things as they are, he tended to have more peace. So the idea here is to become aware of what you resist and what you don't like that causes you to be unhappy, and to just start accepting things as they are. So in Chapter 1, you learn to pay attention to what you do give a fuck about that's out of your control. And in Chapter 2, you learn to accept what is instead of resisting it and find more peace. Very simple idea. And there's that and many more ideas in the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps. And you can get a copy of it by clicking right up here, or where is it? Down there? Click somewhere here and go get yourself a copy if you like to laugh and want to learn how to not give a fuck. So thanks for watching and have a great day.
I hope you enjoyed this video, these video series. There's a whole bunch of them. This little addendum video is because I'm having trouble putting little links in the corners where you can click on it to go to the website or something. Apparently now I need 1,000 subscribers to do that. So there's some links hopefully down here in the description of the video. You can go check out the book or go to the websites. If you sign up for the email list, you'll be the first to know when the new book comes out. Title's too good. I'm not sharing it with anyone yet. And if you like, hit the thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't. And if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome. You and 999 other subscribers. And I can put little links in the corner of the video where you can go and check out the book. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be a good person. Be kind to others and yourself, and have a good life. And check out the other videos and website and all that stuff. Okay, bye.